London is afraid. No one knows why it spreads. People blame the air, a poisonous mist, a miasma. But one man refuses to believe the cloud. He doesn't chase fear, he chases facts. Walks door to door. He listens. He counts deaths due to cholera. The water looks clean, but truth isn't always visible. September 7th, 1854. He makes a bold request. Removed the pump handle. The deaths slow, then they stop. Disease did not come from the air. John Snow dies unknown. But his method lives on. He didn't just stop an outbreak. He changed how the world fights disease.
Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. For the past couple of days, I have been experimenting with different AI filmmaking tools. And the visuals you just saw in the intro, those were created entirely inside Higgsfield Cinema Studio. And honestly, this feels like a major leap forward. Hicksfield doesn't just generate images and videos. It produces cinematic, ultra-realistic visuals that look like they were shot on actual professional film cameras. What really sets it apart is control. Here you can literally choose a real production cameras and lenses and apply their unique cinematic look to your AI films. Camera movements are no longer guesswork either. Instead of writing complicated prompts and confused to choose which model, it will pick best model for you. You simply select the movement you want, maintaining character consistency, creating multiple angles of the same scene, and building proper visual continuity. All of this becomes incredibly simple. So let's jump into Higgsfield Cinema Studio from the link in the description below. Open the website. And right at the top, you will find Cinema Studio. And the first thing you will notice is the interface. It's clean, minimal, and very filmmaker friendly. Down here, you can generate both images and videos. Let's begin with image creation. So I wanted to create a scene of 19th century London, narrow Victorian streets, horse carts, and like that, with realistic 19th century architecture and atmosphere. You can use ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt. I can also upload a reference image so that framing and composition are even more accurate. Now comes the most cinematic part, choosing the camera, lens, and aperture. Just like real filmmaking. Different cameras and lenses handle light, depth, and color differently. Scroll through here and you will see cameras used in high-budget feature films. And friends, that's why it's called Cinema Studio. I will select the Red 5 Raptor film camera paired with the Iowa, I don't know how to pronounce, macro lens. For focal length, I have selected 35mm. You can even adjust aperture 1.4 or 11. Choose 1.4 for sharp bokeh effect, portrait, and 11 for the landscape videos. Here I will select 1.4. Next, I choose how many images variation I want. Every generation interprets the prompt a bit differently, so having options always help. I will keep it at 2 for now. Resolution stays at 4K for maximum clarity. Now we generate. And just look at this. The framing, the composition, everything lands perfectly. Even when you zoom in, the detail is insane. The textures of building, even the roads and reflection. It genuinely looks like a real London of 19th century. Downloading is simple. Just hover over the image and click download. Now here's one of the most powerful features. If you hover on an image, you can select multi-shot, which will generate a 3x3 grid. You might see a same scene from different angles or entirely new shots within the same setup. This is extremely useful for continuity and character consistency. If you look one of these grid shots, select to upscale the quality to 4K, then just click reference and it gets added to your prompt panel or your video prompt panel. Now suppose you want a new shot, like a close-up of a map in the same room. Add the reference image, write a short prompt and generate. But maybe you want to change the object in the hand. No problem. Open the image, click edit and type the exact object you want. And done. Now let's move to video generation. Okay, after creating images, how to create videos? You can directly from images select the video icon and add it as a start or end frame. Just click on the movements. You will find ready-made cinematic camera moves here. Hover over them to preview exactly how they will look. Set the duration, I will keep it 5 seconds. Audio options are also available, but we will skip that for now. Batch size stays at 2. Click generate. And this is the result. Smooth, cinematic and completely controlled. You can even create videos that transit between 2 frames. For example, starting with the close shot on a table and ending with the low angle hero style frame. At the start frame, at the end frame, write a simple prompt and Hicksfield connect them seamlessly. Suppose you want to incorporate character in the video. No problem. Add a reference image, maybe background you want, simple prompt and voila, it's done. Let's create the video of that character just like we did it. And it's done. So friends, go ahead and explore Higgsfield Cinema Studio. It's really amazing. It's a seriously powerful tool for filmmakers, creators and storytellers. And lastly friends, AI isn't replacing human creativity, it's removing the limits around it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave us like, subscribe the channel, hype the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.